Morning folks, I got a couple of slings, my paracord pouch sling which I'm going to shoot some clay ammo with, and my 5-inch split pouch sling which I'm using these tennis balls, these dog bite tennis balls, so they're for small dogs, tennis balls for small dogs. So see if we can knock that can of water up. Not like that we won't. Whoops. I do have a cracker on this sling because when you throw these small tennis balls, it does crack. As you can hear. Not extremely loud, but it cracks. There you go, that's got it. Just a few shots, that's not a can of water ever. So they're the dog bite balls, and that's my 5-inch paracord split pouch sling. It will throw larger ammo than this. It will throw large, normal size tennis balls. I'll just grab one for you. Oops, so you can see the difference. Normal tennis ball, dog bite ball for small dogs. Tennis balls for small dogs. So that's that, and that's the split pouch sling. So now we'll move on to the paracord pouch. I'll just fill that can up with water, pick these balls up. It's got all my padding wet. I only really have this padding down because of the these dog bite balls, so they bounce. So let's just fill this up. And because I don't want it to blowing about in the wind. Oops. So that's a 5-inch split pouch. Now for this 3-inch paracord pouch, still 26 inches in length, but it throws smaller ammo. It will throw the pebbles quite well. I've done a video with that. But this is light clay ammo, like little bullets. You see they're about 3/4 of an inch. Quite light, but still usually throw quite well. The only trouble I have with this when I throw these, can't always see where they're going because they're going fast and they're grey in colour. Anyway, enough talking. Let's see if we can hit this can. That was way over to the right. You've got to make the adjustment now from throwing with a 5-inch sling split pouch to the paracord pouch. Different altogether. I think we've got to release slightly earlier. It's coming over a bit. Still shooting to the right. We should hit it. Let me just... Ooh! It fell over then. Right, that one went to the left. That's better. When it goes to the left of the can, it's easy to correct. Now we're going to have it to the right again. To the left. So we're a bit all over with this one at the minute. That was better. A little high. Whoops. This is air dried. Oh, that's a bit small, that one. So is that one. Oh, there you go, we got it in the end. So yeah, you just got to make the adjustments, try and make the adjustments, so they do shoot differently. So going from clay ammo to tennis balls, from a split pouch to a paracord pouch, there is a difference. But these two are available. This 3-inch pouch throws heavier pebbles even better, more accurate, but I don't really want to throw the pebbles in my yard. I've got windows everywhere, neighbours. They can bounce and they can go anywhere, so I'm reluctant to use them, but I have done before. So that's why I'm using the light clay ammo, because usually it's a wall or the slabs and it'll crack in half and break up. So they're the two slings that I've got. These are available on eBay, around about £6 a piece. Fit in your pocket, take them anywhere. You can, you don't need no ammo with you, as long as you go somewhere where there's gravel, large gravel or pebbles on the beach, like that. Just bung this in your pocket and go without any ammo at all. Anyway, I'm Neil, and I thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.